So this one's all about the vibrato, placement of your vibrato and trying to work in that flavour where it's needed. Staccato notes and vibrato give it a really nice flavour. So we're not using anything out of the ordinary apart from a bit of blues scale on shape 3 and then using pentatonic shape 2 as well. So we start with the 11th fret on the off beat of 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like that. So that leads you into that leads you into fret 10 of the 2nd string with some vibrato, taking you onto the 12th fret 2nd string with that staccato note. So 3, 4. Okay, so obviously the 11 is staccato as well. Then after you've done the 12, you go into the 15 2nd string with vibrato again. Going to the 12 on your 1st string staccato. So for those that don't know, staccato means cutting it short, sharp stab of a note. Then we're finishing the run on bar 2, bar 3, let's call it bar 3 of this lick, where we have that descending run. So that's the 14 with that vibrato. Then you're pulling off the 14 1st string to the 12, to the 15 on your 2nd string, and then that's the 12 again on your 1st string. So, and then we run through the blues scale. So that's going to be 14, 13, 12 1st string, 15, 12 on your 2nd string. And then you can slide that out to finish with. Nice. So as I said, the backing track is on my Patreon page, linked in that description and in the comment as well, pinned comment, and you can find that free. Yep, I know, Patreon free on the members area. You do have to sign up to become a member, I'm afraid, but I don't do all this for nothing. So it's one of those things where you can help me out by just becoming a free member. That would be really cool. And you'll find stuff on there from time to time that you might find useful as well. Now, if you do want the tab, that's also on there in Guitar Pro format and in PDF format. And that is enough. Apart from, please do subscribe, hit that bell button for all future notifications, and visit everything that you need to visit: TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I won't go on X because I don't really like it. There you go. All right, nice one. See you later, everyone, and I shall see you tomorrow for the next lick.